tag from a third slash. I help the businesses to grow their website traffic and online sales using digital marketing. Many people nowadays create a website, but they always complain that they are not getting much visitors on a website or they are not driving any sales from the website. So I help this kind of businesses to increase their website traffic and online sales by effective implementation of digital marketing strategies. I have started this channel to provide you digital marketing tips and tactics to enhance your skill and improve your website traffic. In today's tips, I am going to walk you through how to use Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tool provided by Google to help businesses to optimize their website for the search. It gives you tons of information that is important for your SEO campaign. Things like what keyword your website rank for, what is your search engine position, and how many people clicking on your website. It also tells you any issue about the website, crawl error, and manual action. You can also check is your website mobile friendly or not. So let's get started with the Google Search Console. I hope you guys already created a Google Search Console account for your website. If you're not, then I'm going to create another video how to install Google Search Console on your website. So once you log into your Google Search Console, you will see this interface. At the left sidebar, you will have the various options like overview, performance, URL inspection. In index, you will have coverage, sitemaps. In enhancement, you will have a mobile usability, FAQ, and other schema markup related options. And then you will have a security and manual action, which Google added recently. And then you will have a legacy and tools and reports and the link section and the other settings to add multiple users or user access to your Google Search Console. So today we are going to walk you through with the performance tab. Once you click on a performance tab, you will see this interface. The performance tab will tell you important metrics about your website. The total number of clicks you are getting from the organic searches, the total number of impressions you are getting from the organic searches, the average click-through rate, and average position of your site. You can also change the search type from here to images, videos, or you can compare the data with the images versus videos or videos versus images. You can do it for any combinations. You can also change the date here, the past date, 7 days, 28 days, 3 months, 6 months. So maximum Google is showing like 16 months of durations. Or you can also compare the data with the last 7 days versus previous period, or the compare versus last 28 days versus previous period, or also you can do the custom date range to compare the data. So here once you click on the other tabs, the graph will be appear for the each section. So once you click on total impressions, if you click on the average CTR, the average position, the all graphical representation will be appear here. Then there would be a query tab. The query tab will tell you the which query for which query your website is ranking, how much impressions you are getting, what is the click-through rate, and what is the search engine position. So search engine position can be changed every day, every second. So that's the reason they are showing the average position of the each keywords. So if you click on the pages tab, you will see all the informations about each on a page level. So for which page is ranking, how much impression they are getting, and the click-through rate and the position. You can also see the countries where which countries is performing very well for you and which countries isn't performing very well for you. You can also get the device information where you have the desktop, mobile, and tablet variations. And then you have a search appearance. So if you install the FAQ schema markup on your pages, you will also see that how much impressions you are getting with the FAQ schema, how many people are clicking there, and what are the web light results are there also. So all this information you will get into the search appearance tab. As you know, one page can be ranked for a multiple keywords, and if you want to find out if what is that page and what are the ranking keywords, so you have to go to the pages tab and click on the page which you want to find out. And once you click on a page, you will see the queries option. You have to click again to the queries tab to see all those keywords which that particular page is ranking for. Then you can figure out and you can adjust your SEO strategy to get maximum click from that particular keywords. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and also press bell icon to get notification about my new videos.